cutest. Where are we, guys? We are in Taupo. Yay!
Mommy, this is my bed. We in Taupo.
Guys, do you like the hotel?
Yeah, it's so jumbly. And I want to lay down.
Okay, good. So, is this where you're going to sleep tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, one bed each?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Wow, our dinner tonight, it's lamb and eggs and rice and coleslaw. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby.
My name is Aotearoa. So I have the camera. Hello. This is me. This is me. So today I'm in the hotel. And then we in the swimming. And then this is our hotel. Hello guys. Say hello, hello. Hello. So I'm in the hotel, and then this is not poop. Mama, what it says? We in Taupo. So I'm gonna show you the room, and then this is the room. This is 2 beds. So we have 2 rooms here. And then I just forgot to fix this. And when I was fixing the bed. And then we have another bed. So after this, here we go. This is our bed. So today I'm going to show you the other bed. Over here. Ta-da! This is our other bed. This is where Mommy and Daddy sleeping. And now I'm going to show you where I'm going to sleep. Didi and Boy, I'm going to sleep over here, and Didi. Over here. This is our room. This is our bed, and this is kitchen. The kitchen is over here. Kitchen, and this is the fridge. That's the milk. Oh, look, there's milk. So today we have this ducks.
Ducks are just in front of our room.
And then this is the ducks. They're so cute. Yeah, so big today because it's coming. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Ew, look at eating her. Quack! 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 Mama, here's your camera done. Yeah.
What happened?
My turn.
Oh, your turn. Okay, wait.
Hello, my duck.
They're just talking to the ducks.
Duck, a black duck, and a green duck.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, Mama. My name is Dion. Hello. My name is Dion, and look at the duck. The duck is looking at me. Hello, the ox, and I got my food. These Philippines, and the white one, and it over here. So here's a ducky. Mama is ducky. And it got that what? It got what? Now So got my brother. Say hello. And I got my food here. My mother. So I see you there. I'm coming. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Hello guys, I put in that one there. So I need to... Bye, Ducky. Bye. Bye, duckies.
Oh no, they're going home. I think their mommy is calling them.
Yeah. No, that's big.
Do you don't want the beans anymore?
Now eating it. So...
You eating it? Oh, kinainit na.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye. I need to eat.
Both of them are hot pools, anak. So you can swim both pool if you want. Okay, let's go.